recorded my whole, I'll stop there, hang on, let's start again. I've finished my Photoshop drawn version of my monster with all the layers. I'll just open it for you so you can see it. So here we have all the layers, all the shape layers I've added, all the outlines, etc. Okay, now if I turn off the layer, first one that's just above the background, that was my drawing layer. So now you can see I've got a slightly better version. It's got thick black lines, they all sort of join together. That's what I'm looking for. So to be able to now to go on to the next stage, I'll need to save this as a JPEG, a flat version without all of these layers on the bottom here. So to do that, I'm going to File, Save as a copy. I'm going to save it on my desktop, and I'm going to change it from a Photoshop file to a JPEG file. It'll all be flat. Save it. Okay, so I can close this one down now. I don't need it. I have already saved it. I didn't need to save it again. So you'll see now that is the one, the PSD file, which I'm going to put into my OneDrive shared folder to keep it safe. There's my JPEG version, which is one layer and flat. Drag this into Photoshop, open it up, and you can see now it's flat, it's one layer. Okay, now you can colour it in. You can use the paint bucket tool. If you can't see that, it could be because the gradient tool's there. Paint bucket, choose a colour, any colour you like, say OK, and if your lines aren't broken, you can colour in your monster. It'll be really quick, really easy to do. Okay, and obviously you just carry on filling in your monster with colour. Once you've finished, you save it. You can save it as monster colour, and you're done. And that's it. I would probably leave the background plain for now, because you might want to cut this out and put it onto some sort of poster designs. You could do a few different versions, do a few different colour versions, do some with a background, some without. If you've got other monster drawings you can try this with as well. So that's what we're doing today. So when you're finished, File, Save as a copy. Alright, leave it as a JPEG. And I'm going to change that to colour. It's going to be on my desktop for now. So now I've got a JPEG colour version. I've got an outline without any colour on it. And I've got my outline with all the layers, so I can change it if I want to. And then it's the original drawing that I had. So make sure these are all saved in your OneDrive shared area, because you'll be needing them for later.